What's going on, Shadow? Courtney gave him a little chicken in her meal. In his meal. And now all of a sudden, he lit. He was just too excited and too happy. Just happy about life. Wouldn't stop playing or anything. You proud of yourself, Shadow? You got to chill with me all day because it was raining. It's supposed to rain tomorrow too. We might be together tomorrow too, Shadow. What'd you put on us? Some broth and some chicken, Courtney?
Just chicken.
Just chicken.
And mixed it up.
He don't really want the kibble no more. Why you don't want kibble? He just want meat. You know.
He ate some kibble with it.
He did?
Mm-hmm.
He ate some, but did he eat all the chicken?
Mm-hmm.
He ate all the chicken?
He ate all the chicken where the kibble was. And the kibble.
So it sounds to me that the kibble just so happened to got eaten up because he was coming after the chicken. You want to just eat meat now? See, you want to eat? Look at him. He gets serious. You know what the word eat means, Courtney? You want to eat? Oh, this is sad. This is truly sad. Yeah. Shadow. Finna mess with Courtney. He don't like to see us on the phone at all. Go to Courtney, Shadow.
He's leaning more toward you.
Why you think that?
Because you're his favorite person.
Come here. Come here, Shadow. You got this phone in my hand. You don't know what to do, do you? You know exactly what to do. Don't let this fool you guys. Shadow is a bad boy. He's a bad dog. He'll eat your house shoes. He demolishes his toys. He does everything that you don't want him to do. What's going on? What you see down there, Shadow? Y'all want to see how Shadow act when he watch himself on TV? Let's see how Shadow act when he watch himself on TV. Look at him. He watches TV, y'all. We can put on a movie. He'll watch it with us. He participates in it. He'd be barking and growling at certain things, certain characters. Let's see here. Let's get him rambunctious. Is that the name? Is that the word I'm looking for? Courtney.
That is a word. Let's get him rambunctious.
Let's get rambunctious. Let's get rambunctious in here. Oh, Shadow, you are just on my leg and it's hurting, boy. You digging off in that joke. It's gonna hurt worse, ain't it, putting this on? Here we go. Shadow is playing with his friend Chelsea at 10 p.m. at night. I may have to hire a dog walker because normally he settled down, but since I started back getting busy with business, I haven't had a chance to walk him this week. Looks like he's having pent up energy at night. But it's all good. He's just playing around. See, now he can grab his little toy. Everyone else is trying to sleep, and he wants to play. He has odd times early in the morning and late at night. No time in the middle of the day. He'll throw that teddy bear down there and go get it. Look up, Nathan. See, I told you. Now you're going to go get it. Oh, no. Not this time, huh, Shadow? All right. That's Shadow. All right, Shadow. Say bye. Shadow.